Good morning, childrens. How are you all? I hope that everyone is safe and healthy. Myself, Butlin Sharmi, and my subject is coding and computational skills. And the first topic is about MS Office. MS means what? What is the abbreviation of MS? MS means Microsoft. Microsoft Office. We all know about that. Microsoft Office is a software application. Okay, what is software application? Yes, tell me, what is software application? It's nothing but it's like an app. Okay, for example, we can take the example as WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. These are also a software application. Like this, MS Office is a app, just a app. Is a software application. It was developed and published in the year 1990. Okay, MS Office was developed and published in the year 1990. The founder of MS Office is Bill Gates. Okay, the founder is Bill Gates and the CEO, Chief Executive Officer is Satya Nadella. And the latest version used in MS Office is 2019. Okay. Founder is Bill Gates, CEO is Satya Nadella, and the latest version used is 2019. And what are the uses of MS Office? For what purpose we are using MS Office? It is mostly used in business and educational sectors. Okay, it is used for business and education purposes, and this we can create, edit and view a document or a spreadsheet or a presentation and data entry, etc. We can create, edit and save, and it can be used for a future use for document or a spreadsheet or a presentation, data entry, etc. Okay. In the MS Office we have three types of MS Office. Not only three types, more than three types, but the most important is the first three is MS Word, MS Excel and then MS PowerPoint. These three are very important: MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. Also it has MS Outlook, MS Access, but these three are very important. Okay, MS Word is used to create a document, resume, letter, application or a certificate. In MS Excel, accountant, salary chart, billing, student report, and can be used for a mathematical calculation purpose also, because MS Excel has a formula tab also, so it's very useful. MS PowerPoint is used to create a presentation, text or entry, sound, video, animation. These are the purposes of the Word, Excel and PowerPoint. And you are here to learn about MS Excel. MS means Microsoft Excel. Okay. Let me tell first the uses of MS Excel. I already told it is used for the accounting and calculation purposes. It is used for accounting and calculating purposes. Used to store and organize data and can be used for a future use also. It has the ability to store the data, organize the data and can be used for a future use. And it also allows the user to make calculation with this data and it produce the graphs, charts like this. It gives a pictorial representation of our mathematical calculation. So it's very understandable. Okay, these are the uses of a spreadsheet. Accounting and calculation, used for store, organize data and can be used for future is it allows the user to make the calculation with those data and used to produce the graphs, charts, etc. Okay, in MS Excel we have the tab like Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Formulas tab, Data tab, Review and View tab. What are the tabs? Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Formulas tab, Data tab, Review and View tab. Okay. First, How will you start the MS Excel? How will you start MS Excel? Yes. First, when you open your computer or laptop, first go to Start button. Start button and then click All Programs. And then you need to click the Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office. And then click Microsoft Excel. First, you need to start. Click the Start button and then click All Programs and then click Microsoft Office and then click the Microsoft Excel. When you open the Excel, it's look a spreadsheet. It fills with the rows and columns. It fills with the rows and columns like this. These are all called rows and these are all called columns. Okay, it have also header. It is the column header have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. Okay, row header means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. We can't able to count. Okay, these are all. This is row and each box is a cell. Each box is a cell. Okay, these are all row and these are all columns. Row header means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Column header means A, B, C, D, E, F. This is a spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet. Okay. If you have more than one spreadsheet, then it is called as workbook. More than one spreadsheet is called as workbook. Okay. And then when you open this spreadsheet, you can see a office button on the left side, on the top left side. You can see a office button. In that office button, the main three options are new, open, and then save as. These three options are very important. First, new. Okay, new. First, you need to open a new worksheet. Means first you need to click new. First you need to click the office button and then you need to click the new and then blank workbook and then click blank workbook and then click create. Okay, how will you open the new spreadsheet? First click new and then click blank workbook and then create. Okay, and the shortcut key used for to open the new worksheet is Ctrl plus N. Ctrl plus N is the shortcut key to open the new worksheet and then open. For what purpose you are using the open option? Yes, anybody tell me for what purpose you are using the open option? To open your existing spreadsheet or a file. Okay, you need to open your existing file sheet. When you click the open button, there came a dialog box. In the search button, the file name, there have an option like file name. You need to enter your existing file name and then click open. It will open your existing spreadsheet. Okay, first you need to click open, then you need to give a file name and then click open. Then your existing spreadsheet will get open and the shortcut key used here is Ctrl plus O. Ctrl plus O is used for open the existing worksheet and then save as. How will you save your new worksheet or a workbook or a spreadsheet? How will you save? The same office button, you need to click that office button and then click save as. Then there will appear a dialog box. In the dialog box you have an option like file name. You need to give the file name. Okay, you need to give a file name and then click save and then click save. The spreadsheet will save, then the spreadsheet will save. Or the another option for save as is Ctrl plus S. This also the shortcut key is used to save the new worksheet. Okay, here we have learned three options: new, open, save as. For new, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus N. For open, Ctrl plus O, and then for save, Ctrl plus S. Okay, have you all understand? Okay, thank you childrens.